You fake a smile for the summer, heart comes alive in the winter. I still swear I smell you a hint of vanilla. Sunday rides, it's like drives, we both swear to God that we're in love. Is it in order? Is it in order? Is it in order that
You sure this is the way? I can already hear the waterfall. It's right over here.
Oh, the water?
Yeah, you see it? Oh, that's cool. Nice.
If you want to stop and take footage, just let me know.
Okay.
No rush.
even after all this time, been waiting for your heart, so we can shake the dust off mine. Show me the worst, tell me the worst of it all. Let me get caught up in.
And it fucks up my glasses every time.
You should get a mask that you can pinch at your nose.
Yeah.
You get like a wire thing.
Did it have that?
Yeah.
It's you and I and the same crimes in the only way that we know.
Tree's huge. Alright, you want to take a picture of that?
Yeah, because of the water.
Yeah. Look at that skeet, I've never seen this. You want to take a picture?
Your heart, so we can shake the dust off mine. So we can shake the dust off mine. So we can shake the dust off mine. Been waiting for your heart, so we can shake the dust off mine. Drinking it in while I'm drifting away, breathing out of my lungs, up through the cosmos and out into space. You were my oxygen, but you're gone, gone, gone. Anywhere I go, I swear I can feel you. Maybe there is nothing I can do.
Okay, that didn't work. That is so bad.
I've been talking to you, girl.
Where's my drone? Where?
You're the only one you know.
Holy shit, no! Oh, it's right there?
We were so
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go get
I need to go that way.
it. And my shoes is wet too.
almost, almost, almost. Hooked on the took on tight, climb on my top of my, pull on the strings like kite. I don't know my left from right, more than a fling on the weekend, more than a side in the DM. You got me on hold, another level.
Maybe wearing socks is not a good idea.
Mama said I should be careful.
Oh, this thing is still on, by the way.
I admit it, I'm under it. Your influence moving, pumping through my veins. I'm tripping, all your love. Got me so fucked up, coming down when you leave. Jones on my bones, on my knee. Bring it on back to me. I'll breathe it in deep. Winning when I'm losing that sleep. And loving and I'll take a repeat. And you got me on a whole, another level. Mama said I should be careful.
Alright.
I admit it. I'm under it.
You are holding it.
Your influence moving, pumping through my veins.
We got the path, guys. We're going now.
I can't quit
We get
it.
this time. I think.
Give me warning. So addicted, twisting up my DNA. Tripping on your love. Got me so far down. Slurring all my words and my vision starts to blur. Don't care if it hurts, cause I like the way it works on me. On me. I admit it. I'm under it. Your influence moving, pumping through my veins. Oh, you know I can't quit it. All I need is warning. So addicted, you're twisting up my DNA. I'm tripping on your love. Got me so fucked up.
Say. Yeah. This is where they shot the Lion King. No.
Is that where Simba?
Yeah. That's where they shot it, guys.
Yeah, so much, but not let us smile at you.
Oh, here. There you go. Say hi.
You guys have a good hike.
Thank you. I didn't even notice. That was cool.
How do I say that I can never be without you? How do I prove my love for you when I keep making all the wrong moves? I tell you that I'm sorry, but I know that they're just empty words. I'm ready to be honest and show you that my heart is yours. Our love forever, trying with it, dying tethered through it all. Don't give up, let me go. One more chance and I won't let you down. How do I say that I'm the only one for you? How do I stop? How do I change when I keep turning down the wrong lane? I tell you that I'm sorry, but I know that they're just empty words. I'm ready to be honest and show.
Oh, it's kind of dark now. Let me go this way. Yeah, this is better. Okay. Okay, just do your thing and I'll just fix it. I'm gonna do a different angle, okay? Just stay there. No worries, you're fine. I'm getting paid by the hour. I'm shooting. No, I can go. No, go back. You see it right there? Do you see it now? Come here. Look straight this way. Oh, right. Yeah. What's that? I can't. Wonder if I can fly it from here though. Maybe there. Oh, I think this is it though. We're here!
Oh, it's loud in this place tonight, but I read your lips carefully. And you shared something personal about your polyamory. Said I won't tell a soul, I'll just turn it into fiction. I don't wanna talk now, ain't clinging to tradition. I was all just rolling talk, like throwing rocks. Open ripples turn to waves. And now our body is rising, and our chemicals are synchronizing. If you're hollow, I will fill your space and catch your echoes and feel this flame. Wild hearts unchained. It feels like an ocean breeze when your skin touches mine. In the static of your energy, it's pulsing in and out of time. And I don't wanna say too much, I stay silent like the sea. Slow down the continuum, yeah. We find the ocean so deep. Was it all just rolling talk, like throwing rocks? Open ripples turn to waves. And now our body is rising, and our chemicals are synchronizing. If you're hollow, I will fill your space and catch your echoes and feel this flame. Wild hearts unchained. Woo! Wild hearts unchained. Yeah. Wild hearts Now our body heat is rising, and the chemicals are synchronizing. If you're hollow, I will fill your space and catch your echoes, and we feel this flame. Wild hearts unchained. Woo! Wild hearts unchained. Whoa. Hey! Wild hearts.
guys, thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll be making more videos. Please hit the subscribe button. Hit the slap it. Hit the slap button. Wait.